Hey guys, welcome back to Howler Jungle. I always try to find this game, like whenever I want to play it, on my apps, because this does not feel like a side quest game. It feels so much like a actual game. But you all have been asking for it in my comments to play this game. So I am here to play it for you all. That's a good color. And you all said that I should return back to it so I can do horror, which is in the labs. What is wrong with my movement? Something is really weird with the movement here. But yeah, this is very weird movement. I've been having problems with it. Alright, so what you have to do Howler Jungle Horror, you come behind here, grab this, come over to the computer, tap this, it loads up a video. But basically what it says, that do not mess with that red monkey, and to feed him the serum to make him turn green, is you want to come over here and tap this. Okay. You have to touch the red with the teal. So you come over here and you tap the red. Oh, wait, what? The red with the teal, yeah. The red with the teal. Then you grab it. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Have to hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Movement. Movement. Touch that. If you all have made it this far already, please sub, like, I want to dive to this Howler. Oh, that was short. If I could, okay, I got the other one. Hey, there's the capuchin sounds. Uh-oh. Oh no, I just got a light. Oh no. Oh, it's like I'm flying. This weird movement. Okay. This dude is actually pretty scary. We want to pop out and then pop in. He makes a noise. Uh-oh. I think I just got him stuck. Yep. Uh-oh. Parts. Yeah. There's really not much to this horror thing, but we're gonna go back at it and we're gonna look around. But first, I think I know a way to end this weird movement thing, if it's still here whenever I join back. Yes, like I can fly. Wait, there's someone here! Bro, hello? Hello? Can you talk? Yeah, walk. Can you talk? I can't hear you. Bro, can you talk? Please? Please talk. Talk. I can't hear you. Alright, let's go over to, I don't know if this is copyrighted and that. But, let's go over to Howler Mobbies. I think I know a way to end this weird movement thing. It's so weird. So there's this thing in here, this cosmetic that's free, or I think it's free. I think it was like $5, but it says want to pick up monkeys, guys. But it's right. Is that it? Yeah. Want to pick people up? Unequip. Yep, there it is. It's a weird movement thing. But yeah, turn that off if you don't want weird movement. But yeah, let's continue with the horror we have here. So Howler Labs, we already know the drill. If you want to, you can do this yourself and read the disc thing. Yeah, but here today I'm joined with BB. BB, come here. Look, do you see this right here? Grab this. and then come over here, and then touch the disc. Touch it.
Hello, and welcome.
Okay, so come over here now. Now grab, touch the red beaker, then touch the cyan, touch that one, and then touch that one. And then grab this. Come on, we have to screwdriver. 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 Oh, let's get out of here. Oh, I'm getting out of here. Come on, BB. Come on. Come on, we got BB on our side. Alright, BB. There's a dangerous monkey down here. He's right there. Do you think... Oh, gosh. He's gone. Don't worry. Follow me. Let's get him over here. Oh! He teleported! Oh, goodbye, BB. Goodbye. Well, guys, I think that's enough of that. This is kind of funny, but honestly, there's not much to the horror thing. But yeah, you all wanted to see it. Here's the horror. Let me know if there's more to this, because that's all I found out. Please, no, guys. Oh, sorry about that. I have double tap on. Oh, I'm here with BB. Hey, BB. Well, let me turn this music off. Alright, so, well, guys, that's the end of this video, with Howler Jungle. But yeah, start playing this game. It's actually really fun. It's got I hope it gets off a side quest so more people can play it. But, yeah, I don't think it deserves to be on side quest. Alright, let's go, BB. But yeah, guys, that's all for this video. I'm gonna battle it out with BB. See you guys.